Welcome back. This is the continuation video of my last video that was on the working session with the Cloudy Code, how we are going to work. And we have seen the couple of the video related to Cloudy Code with Olama setup along with the basic git commit command. Okay. So I'm in the same repository, that is the UPI GNN Cloud project, and this is my project into the VS Code. Now, what I have done, I just started my Cloudy Code and I had given this command itself that how to improve this code base. And after making the analysis of 3+ minute, it has given me these many suggestions. So what are the different suggestions it is giving me to improve it, that we are going to analyze, and maybe we can fix some of the things over here, and then we will see whether it is running the code perfectly or not. Okay. So here if you see, it is the location, what location and what the issue is and how it is impacting our things. This is the complete matrices provided by the Cloudy Code. Okay. And high priority improvement. So what improvement it is suggesting us? These are the three improvement. Along with this, fourth one is the validation. Okay. So this is high priority improvement. And this is medium priority improvement. Okay. So in medium priority improvement also it is saying the feature, current, recommendations, what we are going to do. Okay. Architecture enhancement, what we can do more. And then quick wins. It is suggesting like what are the things which we can remove. That is the stale code from our existing code. Okay. So it is saying that it is pointing to features.py and line number 24. Okay, so where is the features? Line number 24, something it is saying. Okay, so we will see what improvement it is going to do. Okay, would you like me to implement any of these improvement? I would recommend starting with this one. Okay, so what I can do, I can just check out one branch from this one. Okay, and then I will ask this session uh, to be done. Okay, switch to new branch named enhancement. Okay, then start mentation. Let's see. I have given the branch name something like this one. So git checkout -b enhancement running. Okay, it is asking. So I can give the permission. How much time it will take now? It got some these many tokens, which is going to be work on within the specified duration. I don't know how much time it will take. Let's wait for this. Now we can see uh, whether it has created the branch and started work or not. So let's verify manually. I'll go to the VS Code to see here. You can see the Git branch is something enhancement, what we had given the name. So the branch has been switched. Now I will re-verify this thing using my Git desktop application. Now you can see this is the project and it has switched to this new branch enhancement, and the branch itself is not yet published. Let's see. Okay, it is still under in progress state. So if you see at my screen, after doing the analysis for long duration, it has just started for the improvement what it has suggested me earlier. Now we can see it is doing this split up, and it is also showing you in which file it has done what. So update source main.py, it has done, okay, like this one. And then it is saying that it is getting the editing file error. It means something it is facing the issue because that file itself is not get edited. Yes, it got edited now, and the edited result is like copy is removed like this one. So we will come to this later on when we see all the edit work is happened. Now it is saying it will take some time. We will also wait. Okay, I'll wait for this to get completed. Something went wrong, I guess. So I was waiting for this around an hour, but didn't work properly. Maybe due to connectivity or the model is not appropriate right now. So I will execute this continue command over here. Let's see what next it will do. Meanwhile, I will be checking into this. So no, only a single file is modified, source.py. Let's quickly jump back to the terminal. So read one file, control this, train a split. Okay, so it's still working. Let me just allow for editing during the session. And if you see here, it's saying added 16 line, means these many lines it has added while refactoring the code. Don't know from where, from which existing file it has read and how it is adding it. So once it is done, then only we can be able to compile and run the code, and then we can be able to see the changes. We'll wait for that. So finally, if you see, lot many changes is happened, and whatever the suggestion it has suggested, it try to modify and update them. Okay, summary of the changes. If you see here, added this one main.file, and it has done some changes into that main.py with these many comments. These are the comments, whatever it has done. Okay, then it has fixed the features.py also. Updated config YAML with this value, and it is saying, would you like me to run the pipeline to test these changes? Run the pipeline. Let's see what it is doing, how it is giving us the result right now. So it is started, and these are the command which is going to be executed. So it will activate the virtual environment, and then it will try to run the main.py, which is the entry point of the application. Okay. So I will simply say yes, and it is running. If you see over here, Let's see into the VS Code, whatever it is doing. Here we can't see anything. Let's jump back to the terminal. And we need to wait. Apart from waiting, we don't have any other things to discuss over here till the time it is getting completed. So I would like to show you the result of this running the pipeline. And if you see here, it has just run these commands and it has generated some images, which is the expected behavior of the code. I will show you what curve it has generated. These are the images it has generated. Okay. So if you see, it has deleted and it has generated the new one along with this one and this one also. So all these things is fine. And when I was running locally, I was able to generate these images and now also I can see this is doing correct work. So if you see the message pipeline ran successfully and here the summary, what it has done. So matrix training, precision, this one. So I think the people's who is watching this is not aware of the code. So don't worry about this one. This video intention is to simply show you what the cloudy code can be used for, not the running this code only. It can work with a lot of the other codes and conversation. The poor test performance is expected because, okay, further improvement to consider. Yeah, why not? Yes, I will say yes. Implement this. Let's see what it is going to implement and how it is going to change the result from the current situation to the newly implemented code. It is saying I will implement this improvement. Let me start with the most impactful ones. So it is just scanning the whole code, which is more impacting higher, medium, lower range of the code changes. And then it will first list us and then it will try to implement. We will wait. No need to hurry. Maybe the video will become little longer, but we will wait. Else I can do, I can just break this video into the two pieces. Okay. So I will try to just give you the next video, the continuation video of these changes into the another video. Meanwhile, stay tuned for the next part of this video.